Hey guys, I'm Suraj Sharma back again with a new video. So in this video, I'm going to draw my hands or anybody's hands in a different posture and a poses. To draw anything in my drawing, I have just used my observation. Like I'm doing anything, so I just observed my hands in a different poses and I just drawn in this video. So without wasting time, let's jump into the video, guys.
Test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that.
Hey guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, so please give it to the thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe this YouTube channel, guys. And in my next video, I will draw some more different hand poses.